it's me again. I've had requests from people in the past to do a cooking video. They say cook anything. And I only have my phone camera and my computer camera. So until I get like a better camera I can wear like on my chest or like a headlight, you know? With a screen that I can see. It's going to be very difficult. So I've made a cooking video on what to cook if you're in a hurry. I know trading stocks is all about timing, right? A lot of times you don't have time. It's like go time. But usually, you know, if you have a few minutes, you can make this food. So I call it pigeon pizza, but I thought the title, which I made this video yesterday, I thought the title of calling it an MMTLP pizza would be funny. An MMTL pizza. It would be funny and fitting for the channel right now. And I like to do things. Everybody knows I'm a funny person. I like funny things. And anything to lighten the mood. I'm all for it. Or, you know, life after MMTLP, it could become the pigeon pizza. Once MMTLP goes into Oil Co., it'll be the pigeon pizza. So, guys, without further ado, here's the video. It winds up costing you... It depends on if you buy the ingredients in bulk or not. The most expensive part of these ingredients would be the sauce and bread. I like to get the thick jumbo hamburger buns, but, you know, you can buy whatever bun you'd like. Maybe you want a potato bun. I don't know. Maybe you want something. But I like the fluffy buns. They sort of lend to toasting well. If they're fluffier, they can toast better. And that produces a better pizza overall. Enjoy the video.
To make little pigeon pizzas, you will need a bun, your favorite pasta sauce or marinara sauce, some sort of sauce. It could be white sauce, tomato sauce, I don't know. Be creative. Cheese, if you like cheese. And accoutrement. The ingredients are simple. Oh, I like garlic. Let's get creative with this garlic. And I like this Italian seasoning. Let's get creative with that. Step 1, we got a bun. And you put the bun in the toaster. And you push toast. And if you need it, this toaster has a cancel button in case you panic and go, oh my goodness, I don't want toast. You can cancel the toast, you see. There's a cancel button on the toast. In case you just change your mind, you didn't want toast. So that's going to toast. Easy. Step 1. Okay, toasting. For some reason, this toaster didn't toast them as dark as I usually like them. That's okay. Okay, after the buns are toasted, we're going to apply the sauce. Apply as much or as little sauce as you want. You can be creative with this. This is really just how I do it. But this is, you know, an artistic thing, so there's an art form to it, which varies to your own personal taste. Okay, so you got the sauce. Next, we're going to install this garlic. So, in Czech, they like to fry the garlic in a lot of food, and they like to be like, śmazeny česnek, which means fried garlic. So, I was once watching this, you know, a Czech guy tell me in Czech his favorite recipe for hovězí goulash and beef goulash. And he's like, první śmazení česnek. He's like, the first step, we fry the garlic. And he had like really fat fingers. You never saw his face, but he had fat fingers. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to trust this cook. And his step was, first you have to caramelize the garlic by frying it, essentially. And so far, everybody's loved that goulash recipe. So I always think about that. You know, první śmazení česnek. Okay. And as you can see, we only used a tiny little blip, so one can make quite a few little pigeon pizzas. And now we're going to add the cheese. See that the freeze-dried garlic kind of soaks up some of that sauce, so that's why I put that down before the cheese. It's like an order of operations. Let's add this accoutrement. Okay, before we add accoutrement, we have to add this Italian seasoning. It must be fragile. I'm going to add the seasoning. And now we add, you know, this could be any vegetable or fruit. If you like me, I love pineapple on pizza. Some people call it an abomination, but I do my own thing. Like David has pumpkins. We're going to put this sweet lunchbox pepper on it. It's going to be delicious. You could put more, you know, if you want to put some olives on there, you can. If you want to, like, you know, snazz it up with some red pepper or jalapenos. Whatever you want. It's your pizza, guys. It's the final step, and this is important. Like, toasting the bread is the very first important step. If you just eat it without toasting the bread, it's like a mushy pizza sub sandwich, and it's gross. So, I'm going to put it in here for 30 seconds. Your microwave might vary with temperature. So, this is like a setting you'll have to play around with. Here you have it. You can probably put it in for another 15 seconds if you want the cheese to be a little meltier. If I would have done it a little bit longer if the bread was darker. The more stiffer your bread is when you start, the better overall it is once you microwave it. That kind of melts everything. But that's like a slow version of me making a pizza by like trying to juggle the camera and explaining. Other than that, it only takes a few minutes to make, you know, these little pigeon pizzas here. It's a good lunch. And the most, you know, 1 can of sauce, a bag of buns, you know, that's like, what, $3? $4 I guess on the high side. And then all the other stuff is like, you know, if you get a big thing of cheese, $6, you can make 8 of these sets. That's a set. That's pretty good. It's less than $1 for a set. So it's like 40 cents per thing. I don't know. It tastes a heck of a lot better than like some frozen cardboard pizza stuff you get at the store. You know, and then if you want to make a sandwich, you can make a sandwich. If it's a versatile ingredients, you know, that's not gonna, you don't have to dedicate room in your freezer just for a pizza. You can have these things lying around and do other things with them. I like that versatility in ingredients. It makes things a lot more streamlined. Okay, guys, I'm going to enjoy this pigeon pizza. I will see you soon. Goodbye.